Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is our series of videos in which we are discussing the product pricing condition analysis, in which this the situation is that you have got a number of products and their pricing conditions are listed in one sheet that is called TP, trade price, etc. Okay, so your products are listed, and you have got the pricing condition, the validity, and the sale price. Okay, and this is the key, which is going to play a main role for looking up the and get you the desired price as per your transaction date. Okay, so we showed you in our previous videos that there are multiple ways of doing this. First, we showed you using a simple formula, right? What is the formula? That is index match, right? And this is for the current price. Is fine. There's no issue in that. All you need to do is sort this range in on this key, right? Or multiple keys, like first you sort on the product wise and then you sort on this. Okay, so this is how you do, so that each product has got all their pricing conditions continuously, and they are sorted in an ascending order, as the older price comes first, and the recent comes later, and the most recent comes later, right? So okay, so next is you bring the current price. That's fine. That is no issue in that answer. Now the situation is that when you want the last month price uh, on the basis of the transaction date, what was the last? If it is July, so it would need the price same day on the previous month. That's the price same day on the previous month, like this. Okay, if the price were not available, then put a space in that. Okay, so this was done using two functions. One was a min if function, which is available, which is very short, concise, very good. But this is available in the later function versions of the Excel. Latest one versions of Excel have got this facility. But this function is not available in previous functions, in previous versions, right? Previous means in 2016 onwards, this function was introduced by Microsoft. Okay, so that made the things very simplified, and all you need to do is use this in this formula and check if this is falling outside the range of the product's life cycle. Then it will put a space, and otherwise it will give the appropriate price as per the last month, which is here, right, on the basis of this one. Yeah. There's okay, so this was the background which we were doing. Now there is another way of doing this, that is by using them in. If you have the new function, if you have an old version of Excel, then you can use the a bit lengthy formula, but this is an array function which allows you to do the same thing, right? Use. So this was shown in our previous video, right? So there are more ways of doing this, and we are going to discuss you in this video. We will explain you how you can do this using the VBA, right? The first thing we do in order to use the VBA, we first of all you save the current file and change the file type to be appropriate. The best thing I prefer is the Excel binary workbook that allows you to save the VBA with the file, right? So Excel, and another advantage of using the Excel binary workbook is that its file size is very much reduced, compressed, right? Okay, so this you can see that it is just 176 KB file. Okay, so this is very small file. Okay, so let's first of all, you have to save it in the binary format, right? This is the first thing you are supposed to do this, so that you can make use of the VBA. You can write the macros and write the VBA Explorer, and these are available. Okay, okay. The first step is done. The next is that we start and we enter a button for it. Okay, let's go to the developer tab and we insert a button like this, a cutter, and we put it in here, right? So a button is written, and this is the new button, and he says that which macro, so it is going to be a new macro. Fair enough. Okay, so this is the button you have created. As soon as you click it, the first thing it is going to do is the sort the TP range. Okay, so for the beginners, we will just say MFG box, and we'll say salam. Filipinos say salamat, right? And this is salam. Okay, so this is saying as if you say in English hello or hi, right? So you click, so your macro has started working, responding, right? Okay. So instead of saying salam, we will go to change it and we will edit it. We are going to edit it and we will say, go and select the TP sheet first, okay? Sheets, and then we will write the TP, paid price, dot select. That's right. Okay. So this is dot, not comma, dot. Okay. Right. So what would happen as soon as you click it here, it will take you the TP sheet. Right. Okay. Then what next? It should do. First thing is that it should figure out what is the last offer for this, because that may be changing all the time. It's not always 49. That maybe there may be more products and so. So that is the LR, the last row. Okay. So we check it here and we say range. I'll say LR is equal to range. Say A1, and then we say, we say special cells, yeah, and then we put braces, right? What do we want? We want the last cell in this sheet, right? And we will say dot row. Okay, so this is going to take you, this will tell you that what is the last row here. So it should come with 49 probably, right? So let's run this macro and see what is it. This is 49, exactly, right? So what we are supposed to do is that we write a formula. We write a formula from E2 to E49. So range E2 to E, and then we write what and LR, whatever is LR. So this is how we are avoiding the hard coding. So, it's a futuristic style of it, so that you don't have to always amend them code. Okay, all you need to do is put the next new products underneath the next row available, and it will automatically become available for the system, right? So so this is where you are going to write a formula, right? And here, what formula are we supposed to write? So we will put that formula between these two codes. Okay. Okay. So we go to here and we copy this formula directly, Control C, and we go and put that formula in here in between these two codes. Yeah, but there are the codes. Whenever such a situation comes that there are codes within the code, so we make them double. This is going to be double so that they are treated by the system as a single code. Okay, so this is how it is done. So what we see, we also write here a key. Okay, on the E1, we will write range E1. Yeah, E1 is equal to T, for example. It's just a try to, okay? So what would happen, even if let's stop this and let's remove this formula, for example. If these all are removed, okay, what would happen? As soon as you click it, so it will be reproduced by the system. Okay. The next thing is now to sort this range. Okay. Okay. The sorting is not very much tricky. Means it's simple. You want to sort on this on the eval. What we do, we stop it, and we we record a macro. We record a sort macro to do the sort, because that will allow us to get the code. We don't have to worry about this. So we will say it is sort, my sort. Okay, so my sort is the name of the macro which you are writing, and here it is going to start recording the sort. Okay, so the first thing is that it goes there and get back to here, and next is it is going to select this whole range, and next is it is going to apply the sort. First of all, make sure that the filters are clear, right? Sort these are clear, okay, and you also need the filters to be clear like this, okay. The filters are clear. Now the next is you are going to sort like this, okay, and in here you are going to use the key field as a primary sort key for you, and that's it, A to Z, and you click OK. So this has sorted it in the ascending order so that your system will work. Okay. next you will get back here. Now you don't forget to stop the recording, because whatever you are doing, it is recording. Okay, so you are going to stop the recording from where you started it. So stop, right? So now you have a macro, and you got to see that macro. What is it, my sort, all about? Right? So this is everything, right? This is unnecessary. You can remove this. Okay, this is right. It should go to the TP. Okay, and it is uh, uh, clear, making it clear that this is, yeah. The auto filter is also clear, and right. So there is no need of all this. All you need to do is just write active sheet dot active sheet dot auto filter mode is equal to false. Okay, so this will as good as clearing this. Okay, you don't need this one. The next is you are supposed to use the LR as well. Okay, so which we have already used. So LR, right? And we are going to select that range from A1 to E1, right? Range A1 to E with what you say is LR, right? Dot select. So this is the selection. Okay, now you can remove this extra braces. That's right. Next, you are going to clear any sort method which is already there. That's fine. You can do that. Auto filter dot. That's right. And the next is you can uh, clear the sort what that might be already available. That's fine. Okay. The next is this is the A2 to this. Okay. So A2 to until A, and here we are going to use what? LR. LR. Wherever you see that it is using 49, all you need to do is just use this technique. So that will make it LR. LR, you can give any name to it, but LR is for last row, right? We can, okay. Okay. So, and wherever you see 49, just make it LR, right? That's how it is done. And it can go back to the transactions, and that's it. Okay, one more thing you can do is uh, you have to take the my sort into this macro, the edit. You go to edit. Here you are going to write the LR this, right? And here you are going to write my sort space LR. So this is going to run this set of code. Okay. So let's see if it works. So first thing is that you try it, and let's see what does it say. It is saying that you are clearing this auto filter, which is not there. Okay, no problem. No problem. You say on error, assume next, and say on error, go to 0. Okay, this is a beautiful technique. Whenever you see that such an thing is causing error, and you don't know if, for example, whether it is necessary, although we know that this was written by the system for some purpose during our recording. So let's use it by this way. Okay, that's it. Okay, so it has done the sorting, and it has completed its job. It has performed the sorting, and it has came back. It has come back. Okay, so this is done, and then we say that it is done. Okay, so we can give a message, but it is the first thing we have done. The rest we can write the procedure to or fill up all this information into this. All this information, this is our target, and we will write the formula. We will write the mechanism to bring all this information, right? Okay, so this way we'll show you in our next video. In the meantime, first of all, let's change. Go to the property of this, right? F4. We can write, we can rename it. Yeah, we can write it start, for example. Yeah. Okay, so this is all right, and this will it will do the job and come back. It has done it well. So it is doing so quickly that uh, you can not see it happening. To ascertain that it is doing job, let's remove it, and you run it. You will see that the information should come here. Yeah, when we have to, it is supposed to write the formula. So let's assign it. and go to here, and this is not doing this formula. Why? Okay, so in the E to 50, it is writing a formula, and A to this was the formula, that's fine, which it has not written. So let's see what has happened. So it has gone to this, right? And then it has written this thing, that's fine. And then next is it is writing this formula, that's fine. And now it is performing the sort. And as soon as it is done, that's it. It has worked, right? All right, okay. So see you in our next video. We are going to develop the VBA solution to perform all this calculation. That would be very fast and economically in terms of memory usage, and it will be an efficient solution. And the file size will be very much economical. You will save the time and the space of the system. Okay, thank you very much for watching.